going on, y'all? This video right here, man, we're gonna be changing out the spark plug on the KFX 450r. Got it torn apart already. Y'all know from the previous videos. Been doing the teardown of it, redoing it a little bit, cleaning it up. Got some new tires on her. Got some new stuff, more new stuff to put on it. Just done an oil change over there. So right now we're gonna go ahead and change out this spark plug. First thing you have to do, you have to take off your front plastic, which I already got mine off. Then next, we'll have to remove the gas tank, which is not hard at all. I'm sure you have to do that process. These two bolts here, it's gonna be holding it underneath. It's gonna be, we have a hookup line right here. No gas shouldn't waste out because it's a fuel pump hookup to it. If not, just gonna be a little bit. All right, here underneath, let me give you a refresh. Just gotta take off this line right here. It's just a little clip, pulls out, and just one harness right here. Just unplug this harness. And the line comes off it like that. Just a little bit of gas spills out, not much though. Now all I gotta do is take this harness out now. I'll try to do this on the top end up here. All right, here's the harness on top. I already loosened mine up a little bit. This is the harness right here. Take it out. Gas tank should come off now. Gonna remove our engine cover right here, the gas tank sits on, and you can see our spark plug sitting right here. All self-explanatory after this. Pull your spark plug wire off, and inside you'll find your spark plug. Remove your spark plug. Make sure you use your spark plug socket. Looks like this is a deep well socket that has like a little rubber grommet in there just to pull the spark plug out. See if we can get this one right here out. There we have it. All right, then before you install your new spark plug, make sure you check your gauge on it. And for a KFX 450, your gap should be between 0.8 millimeters and the 0.9 millimeters. That is 0.03 and 0.04 inch. Now I already checked mine is gapped right, but if you buy yours specifically for this bike, the gap will already come correct in it. And that's about it. All you gotta do is just install your spark plug the same way you installed it. All right, now all you gotta do is put your spark plug back in your spark plug socket and begin the process. All right, now you have it. Spark plug is back installed. Pick my ignition cord back on it. Now just replace everything that I took off. And there you have it. It's as easy as that. All right, y'all, it's gonna be the end of this video right here. Thank you for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.